Welcome to VMAX instructional video series. This video will demonstrate how to remove and install the generator in VMAX CAT-powered multifunction power system. First, remove the service panel. Then, disconnect the battery terminals and remove the battery. Remove the body panels. Remove the frame uprights on the generator end of the multifunction. Release the accessory drive belt tension and take the belt off of the generator pulley. Disconnect the generator harness and cut any cable ties that hold it in place. Locate the harness retaining clip below the generator and open it. Disconnect the connector for the generator relay and pull the generator harness from behind the radiator. Remove the louvers on both sides of the end of the generator. Then remove the generator retaining bolts and nuts. The generator is now ready for removal. The generator is a heavy and awkward load. Arrange for a second set of hands to remove it and to set the new one in place. Prepare to pull the generator harness back through the multifunction. Temporarily apply a cable tie to the end of the harness and catch this loop with a hooked rod or wire to pull it through. Route the generator harness under the fitting on the air oil separator tank, under the lower rad hose, then over both lower rad support brackets, and exit out at the lower end on the opposite side. Secure the generator harness to the air discharge line with a cable tie over each radiator mount. Then secure it to the harness bundle where it exits the multifunction with one cable tie inside of the unit and one outside of it. Route the ground harness with the ring terminal towards the outside generator mounting hole and connect the connectors for the generator relay. Note: use Loctite 242 blue on all fasteners unless otherwise directed. Fasten the harness ground using the outside generator mounting bolt and nut. Note: the two nylock nuts inside this cavity are resting in a slot. Hold the nut in place, as shown, to keep it in place while threading the bolt, or engage the bolt very gently into the nut to prevent pushing the nut out of its slot. Torque the generator nuts and bolts to 38 foot-pounds or 52 Newton meters. Reinstall the 2 louvers. Install the drive belt. Install the frame uprights. Install the battery. Install the positive cable to the battery terminal first. Then, install the ground cable to the negative terminal. Install the body panels. Thank you for watching VMAX cat-powered multifunction generator replacement instruction. For questions, please visit our website at www.vmacair.com or call our technical support team at 1-888-241-2289.